So part one of this process is we're going to first clean the windshield, and then we're going to put RainX on here, and then we'll do Clay Bar on something else. Particularly difficult spots, I've got one here and one here. We're going to take the Windex and a scraper, and we're going to hit these spots. Alright, so we're just going to use this RainX product, and then what we're going to do is use a dry, clean cloth and apply it. Oh, it's brand new. I'm sure you take that off first. So since new, this wiper has been awful. So I talked to a friend of mine. One thing he said is the dealership, the Clay Bar a window. So I know this is bad, so we might as well spray it down, try the Clay Bar trick. If that doesn't work, then we're gonna go ahead and RainX it, and then while we wait for the new part to come in, because this is so new that Ford didn't have a wiper for it. I can't not see out of my back window. It smears it really bad when you wipe it. Using Simpson spray and wax detailer, so I've never used this product before. So you gotta keep the surface wet when you're doing this sort of thing, and you want to work its way over the surface, pick up any impurities. Make sure you dry this thoroughly with a microfiber cloth. And next time it rains here in Vancouver, which should be fairly soon, probably within a few days, and we'll see if this method works on the back window and if the RainX is working on the front window. Take this off. Sort of like wax, you want it to have time to get itself into the pores of the glass. Voila. Now we need to test